Guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the application of TIR. It means application of total internal reflection. So let me discuss here the application of total internal reflection. Okay, so first of all, let me discuss here the mirage. मिराज क्या होता है? एक तरीके का दृष्टि भ्रम होता है। ओके, जैसे आप देखते हैं इन समर डेज, जैसे हम लोग रोड पर चल रहे होते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे रोड में कहीं पर पानी भरा हुआ है, बट जैसे हम पास में जाते हैं तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं मिलता। ये क्यों होता है? सो इसमें देखते हैं, देखिएगा। यहाँ पर कोई पर्सन है, ये देख रहा है ऐसे। तो इन समर डेज होता क्या है? इन समर डेज जो अर्थ सरफेस की एयर होती है अपर के रिस्पेक्ट में ज्यादा हॉट होती है। इट मीन्स रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स फ्रॉम अप टू डाउन म्यू डिक्रीज करेगा, और रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स जब डिक्रीज करेगा इट मीन्स स्पीड जो होगी इसकी इंक्रीज करेगी। जस्ट रिमेंबर दीज पॉइंट्स। ओके, सो अब ऐसी सिचुएशंस पर अगर कहीं मान लीजिए किसी भी ट्री से अप टू डाउन टूवर्ड्स द अर्थ सरफेस कोई रे ऑफ लाइट ट्रेवल करती है। ओके, सो इन द समर डेज, राइट डाउन, इन द समर डेज द air at the earth surface is too hot comparison to other, so its refractive index is less than, means the air which is at the earth surface, that's refractive index is less than comparison to other. So simply we can say that refractive index decreases from up to down. It means, on other words, we can say that its speed increases continuously from up to down. So at any moment whenever any ray of light falls by this person which is stand at the earth surface from any top point of a tree, so whenever this ray of light travel from top to the bottom of earth surface, then the ray of light bend away from the normal, because it's travel just like denser medium to rarer medium, because this is hot air and this is cool air, so it travel from denser to rarer, so ray of light bend away from the normal, and whenever this incidence is greater than, whenever this incidence angle become greater than its critical angle, then this ray feels just like it come from the ground, just like it feels to come from the any point which is situated at the ground of this earth surface, but it in real it doesn't happen, ऐसा होता नहीं। This is the mirage. Okay, so simple word, we can say that in summer days the air at the earth surface is hotter than the comparison of upper air, so refractive index decreases from up to down. It means speed increases from up to down. So at any moment whenever any ray of light travels from the top of a tree towards the person who is standing at the earth surface, means towards the earth surface, then it gradually the ray of light gradually bend away from the normal, and such a condition become whenever the ray of light, it means its angle of incidence greater than, becomes greater than its critical angle, and at that position this ray feels just come from the downward, any point of the downward from the earth, so that is the mirage. Okay, so next one, let me discuss here some prism which are also prepared by the crown and flint glasses. Okay, in here this is the its main variety, means कोई भी रे ऑफ लाइट है, अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है, बजाय इसको विदाउट द कन्वर्जन एनी टाइप ऑफ कन्वर्जन ऑफ दिस प्रिज्म वी कैन फाइंड द अपोजिट इमेज जस्ट लाइक दिस. देखिए ये 45 डिग्री पर, ये 45 डिग्री और ये 90 डिग्री पर ऐसे कोई रे ऑफ लाइट ट्रेवल करेगी. ये कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है ए बी, तो ये ऐसे हिट करने के बाद इस तरीके से आएगी और ये ऐसे आएगी. देखिए ये रे ऑफ लाइट ये आ गई, यहाँ पर ए होगा और ये बी होगा, ए डैश बी डैश. तो ये इसका ऑब्जेक्ट था और ये इसकी इमेज थी. मीन्स इसको बिना किसी कन्वर्जन के हम इसकी उल्टा अपोजिट इमेज, इन्वर्टेड इमेज फाइंड कर सकते हैं. For this we can use or we will use this type of prism which are prepared by the crown and flint glasses. Next one, it also will happen just like this type of prism, and this angle is 90 degree and these are the 45, and whenever any ray of light from any object travel just like this, this is an object AB, so it get reflected just like this, and this is the A and this is B. So A dash B dash, this is object and this is image. So without any conversion of this prism, we will find the opposite or inverted image of this object. So these prism prepared by the crown and flint glasses. Next one, we can also use like this. This is an object AB, like this, and it get reflected and become parallel like this. So this A terminal go downward and this B. So its image is A dash B dash, and this is upward direction and it is in downward direction. So we will find the inverted image of this and this object without any conversion of this. Okay, so these prism prepared by the crown and flint glasses. Okay, now let me discuss here the diamond. Okay, so diamond is famous due to its the brilliance. Okay, ये अपनी अच्छे या चमक के लिए फेमस है. So diamond is famous due to its brilliance, and its critical angle is very low, just like 24.4 degree approx. Okay, so whenever any ray of light enter in the diamond just like this, ऐसे होता है. So इसमें अगर एक बार कोई ray of light enter कर गई, so ये it get reflected inside the diamond more and more time just like this. Okay, ऐसे मतलब ये रे ऑफ लाइट इसके अंदर बार बार TIR फॉर्म करेगी, इंटरनली रिफ्लेक्ट होगी, एंड इट आल्सो डिपेंड अपॉन द इंजीनियर व्हिच मेक्स दिस इन दिस फॉर्म. ओके, सो ड्यू टू दिस इट फेमस ड्यू टू इट्स ब्रिलियंस. मींस डायमंड इज फेमस ड्यू टू इट्स ब्रिलियंस and its critical angle is very low, that is approximately 24.4 degree. Whenever any ray of light get entered in the diamond, then after entering this ray inside the diamond, it get reflected more and more time, and it also depend upon that engineer who makes this in this shape. So due to this, it again and again get reflected inside the diamond, and due to this it feels by the person more scintillating. Okay, and due to this it famous due to its brilliance. Now let me discuss here the optical fibers. So what's an optical fiber? So optical fiber used for the transmission of audio and video. It used for transmission of audio and video signals. Audio and video signals of long distance okay, and it also depends upon the total internal reflection. Okay, so just remember this: optical fiber used for the transmission of audio and video signal for long distance, and it also based on TIR means टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन पर ये बेस्ड भी है। और ये कैसे प्रिपेयर किया जाता है? सो इट बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द हाई क्वालिटी ऑफ कंपोजिट ग्लास। इट prepared by high quality composite glass or quartz। इससे प्रिपेयर किया जाता है which is the combination of core and cladding, and you know refractive index of core is greater than refractive index of cladding। okay, so ये होते हैं optical fiber। so optical fiber is used for the transmission of audio and video signal for the long distance, and it also based on the total internal reflection, and it prepared by the high quality of the composite glass or quartz, okay, which is the combination of core and cladding, and here the refractive index of core is greater than the refractive index of cladding। और ये कैसे बनता है तो देखिए, this is the optical fiber, and here this is cladding and this is core। okay, so this is, let me consider mu1 and this is mu2, so here mu2 is greater than mu1। okay, this is optical fiber, and whenever any ray of light entered in this optical fiber, so it get reflected again and again inside this pipe, and after that it get reflected। okay, so in this way this ray of light travel inside this optical fiber pipe। okay, so it prepared by the high quality of composite glass or quartz, which is also the combination of core and cladding, and the refractive index of core is greater than the refractive index of cladding। whenever any ray of light entered in it, then it get reflected or get form total internal reflection inside this pipe again and again, and after that it get reflected in this way। okay, so this pipe is also used for the examine visual examination, just like a light pipe. So these are also used for the visual examination of the internal organs. It used for the visual examination of the internal organs like esophagus, and stomach and intestine. Okay, so these are uses of this optical fiber. So optical fiber used just like an optical light pipe, which is used for the visual examination of the internal organs, just like esophagus, esophagus in stomach and intestine. Okay, it also used in the transducers. It also used in the just like transmission and receiver, transmitter and receiver. Okay, so these are the uses of this optical fiber.